Why do I suddenly forget all my English at the pharmacy?
Oh, wow. That happens to so many people.
Seriously, I can watch English videos, I can understand podcasts, but then someone asks me, how can I help you? And my brain becomes empty.
Exactly. And pharmacies feel stressful because people are waiting behind you. You feel nervous. You forget simple words.
Yes. And then I start saying strange things like, I need medicine for, uh, my head pain thing.
Honestly, that's normal. Most English learners think pharmacy English is difficult because they try to memorize everything, like a textbook.
Wait, so that's the mistake?
Yup, real English is not about memorizing long lists. English is patterns, not rules.
I like that.
Today, we'll make pharmacy English feel simple. We'll use one big image the whole time.
Okay, what's the image?
Think of the pharmacy like a repair shop for your body.
Oh, a repair shop.
Exactly. Your body has problems, the pharmacist helps fix them. Suddenly, all the English becomes easier to understand.
Wait, that already makes more sense.
And by the end of this episode, you'll know how to ask for medicine, describe symptoms, understand instructions, and sound natural in real conversations.
So, if I panic at pharmacies, this episode is for me.
Exactly. And while you listen, try saying the example sentences out loud with us.
And tell us in the comments what English situation makes you nervous the most.
Okay. Now let's unlock this.
Okay, so let's start with the basic problem. When I walk into a pharmacy, I don't know what to say first.
That's super common. But remember the repair shop image.
My body is the machine.
Exactly. And the pharmacist is the repair expert. So first, you explain the problem.
Just like describing a broken phone or car.
Yes. So instead of trying to sound perfect, focus on describing the problem.
Okay, so what can I say?
Very simple sentences work best.
Like,
I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. My stomach hurts.
wow, those are much easier than I expected.
Exactly. Many learners think they need advanced words, but simple English sounds natural.
Wait, what's sore throat?
Good question. It means your throat hurts, like when swallowing feels painful.
Ah, okay. I've heard that before.
Now here's the important part. Don't say every symptom at once.
Oh no, I do that.
A lot of learners panic and say, I have headache, fever, cough, stomach pain, tired, nose problem.
That sounds like me.
Instead, think slowly, like a mechanic checking one problem at a time in the repair shop.
Oh, one problem at a time.
Exactly. Try this. I've had a headache since yesterday.
That sounds more natural.
Or, my throat hurts when I drink water.
Wait, that paints a picture.
Yes. Real English is visual. English is patterns, not rules.
Huh. I'm starting to feel less scared already.
Good. Now, let's practice together. Say this out loud. I need something for a cough.
Okay. Your turn, listeners.
And notice something interesting.
Native speakers often say something for at pharmacies. Oh, wow, like something for a headache, something for allergies.
Exactly. Short, simple, natural.
This really feels like a repair shop now. I describe the problem, and they help fix it. Perfect. That's the system. Okay, but here's where I get confused. What happens after the pharmacist asks questions? Ah, now comes the real secret. Uh-oh. Pharmacies are full of tiny, everyday questions. And if you understand the patterns, everything becomes easier. Patterns again. Exactly. English is patterns, not rules. Okay, give me an example. The pharmacist might ask, "How long have you had it?" Oof, that question used to confuse me. Most learners panic because they focus on grammar. But think visually. The repair shop image again? Yes, the pharmacist is checking when the problem started. Oh, so it's like checking when the machine broke. Exactly. So your answer can be simple. For 2 days. Since last night. For about a week. That feels much easier now. Another common question. Are you taking any medication? Wait, medication means medicine, right? Yep, a little more formal, but very common. So I can answer, no, I'm not. Or, yes, I take allergy medicine. Perfect. What about understanding instructions? That part scares me too. Ah, yes. This is where many learners get lost. But there's a pattern here too. Really? Think of instructions like a map for fixing the body machine. Oh, wow, a map.
The pharmacist may say, take this twice a day.
So, morning and night?
Usually, yes.
And once a day means one time?
Exactly.
What about after meals?
That means after eating food.
Oh, honestly, I used to think pharmacy English was impossible.
Most learners do. But once you see the visual system, it changes everything.
Wait, let's do a mini role play.
Okay,
Hi, I need something for a cold.
how long have you had it?
For 3 days.
Okay, take this twice a day after meals.
Wow, that sounded real.
Exactly. You're already using real English.
Okay, now I want to sound more natural, not just correct.
Ooh, this is where fluency starts.
Yes, because sometimes my English is correct, but it sounds strange.
That's normal. Natural English is about feeling, rhythm, and confidence.
So, how do native speakers really talk at pharmacies?
They often soften their sentences.
What does that mean?
Instead of saying, give me medicine.
Oh no, that sounds aggressive.
Exactly. Instead, say, could I get something for a headache?
Wow, that sounds much friendlier.
Or, do you have anything for allergies?
That sounds smooth.
Here's another natural trick. Native speakers often say, I think I might have.
Oh, like, I think I might have the flu?
Exactly. It sounds softer and more natural.
Wait, this changes everything.
And pronunciation matters too.
Uh-oh.
Don't speak too fast. Nervous learners rush.
I definitely do that.
Slow down slightly. I need something for a cough.
That actually sounds more confident.
Exactly. Confidence is not fast English. It's clear English.
Wow.
Now, let's try another role play.
Okay.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I think I might have allergies.
What symptoms do you have?
My eyes are itchy, and I keep sneezing.
Perfect.
Wait,
Itchy means you want to scratch something, right?
Exactly.
Honestly, this feels so much more real now.
Because you're learning through situations, not isolated grammar rules.
English is patterns, not rules.
Exactly. And the pharmacy is still our repair shop. The worker checks the problem, gives instructions, and helps fix the system.
Okay, now let's talk about the mistakes learners make.
Yes, because these mistakes are super normal.
Mistake number 1, saying, I want medicine,
Yes, that sounds incomplete.
because the repair shop doesn't know the problem yet.
Exactly. Better, I need something for a headache.
Much clearer.
Mistake number 2. I have fever.
Oh no, I've said that before.
Many learners do. In English, we usually say, I have a fever.
Tiny word, big difference.
Exactly.
What's another common mistake?
Saying, I eat this medicine 2 times.
That sounds strange.
Right. We usually say, I take this medicine twice a day.
Ah, take medicine, not eat medicine.
Exactly. Now, here's a funny one.
Oh no,
Some learners say, my head is paining. That sounds so direct translation style. Yep. Natural English is, I have a headache. Or, my head hurts.
honestly, these small fixes make English sound so much better.
And remember, mistakes are normal. Even advanced learners make them.
So don't panic if your English isn't perfect.
Exactly. Communication first, perfection later.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Which sentence sounds more natural? Number 1, give me cough medicine.
Or number 2, could I get something for a cough?
The second one sounds more natural and polite.
Okay, next challenge.
Say this out loud. I've had a sore throat for 2 days.
Again, slowly.
I've had a sore throat for 2 days.
Nice. Now try creating your own sentence.
Maybe I need something for allergies.
Or, my stomach hurts.
Great job. Now one more. Formal or casual? Do you have anything for headaches?
That's polite and natural for everyday conversation. And remember the repair shop image.
Yes. Describe the problem clearly. Then follow the map of instructions.
English becomes easier when you can see the meaning.
Real English is about communication, not perfection.
Wow, today felt really different.
Yeah, pharmacy English doesn't have to feel scary anymore.
I think the repair shop image changed everything for me.
Same here. Your body is the machine. The pharmacist helps fix the problem. And suddenly, the conversations feel logical.
Honestly, I feel much more confident now.
And remember our core message. English is patterns, not rules.
The more you see the patterns, the easier English feels.
Exactly. So next time you visit a pharmacy, don't panic.
Use simple English. Speak clearly. Trust yourself.
And if you enjoyed this episode, write a pharmacy sentence in the comments.
Or tell us about a funny English mistake you made before.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with another English learner.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
See you next time.